Hi everyone, so today I just went to the computer festival in Hong Kong, and I bought a new keyboard because my laptop keyboard recently just broke, so I bought a new keyboard. I bought this Keychorn K3 version 2, and it's a blue switch, and yeah, I don't really know much things about keyboard, although I'm a tech YouTuber, so I don't know what are these. So yeah, let's just open this up. I bought this because I've heard of it and I think it look good, and I like blue. Oh, how do I open this? I like blue switch, so yeah, how do I? Okay, let's open it. Yeet. Yeet. Okay, and let's open this up. Okay, it has this little thing. Keychorn K3. Yeah, I know what. Oh, it's for you to switch the keys if you are using a Mac or something like that. So just basically tell you how to connect Bluetooth, connect cable, switch between function and multimedia keys, disable auto sleep mode, remap keys, factory reset, blah blah blah. And here's the keyboard. And yeah, let's take a look at these first. These are cables. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. Some keys if you're using Windows. I'm using Windows, so I need these keys. And I don't know what's the name of this. I think it's for you to switch the keys. So yeah, let's open this up. Oh. And here it is. Here's the keyboard. Let's listen to this nice. Yes, I love this. Yes, I didn't waste my money. So yeah, let's switch the keys real quick. And here's the keys. I'm not a Mac user, so let's open this up. Okay, I actually need a guide. I know which keys for which. So Windows keys. Where should I put the Windows keys? So I should put a This is Windows. Yeah, here's the Windows. So I should switch this option key to Windows, I guess, and then Alt, and where's another Alt? I know. Huh? I know it's weird size. So here, this one. This should be the Alt button, and here's the exit. But I have the orange one. I will just leave it there. I just put this back. I don't like the floating lights, like some different colors. So exit remains like this. So yeah, let's get this tool. That's a Keychorn logo on it, and yeah, I don't really know how to use or like, do I have to do this? Like, oh, wait, so put this in, I guess, and command key to alt key. Okay, I think it's like this. Okay, here's the alt key. So let me get this thing out. And where's another alt key? Here's another alt key. Okay, how do I like this? It's my second mechanical keyboard. I have one before it, but it broke in like 2 months. So yeah, sorry. I really like the feeling of this keyboard. And yeah, thank thank you guys for watching, and it's basically unboxing of this keyboard. So thank you guys for watching, come on and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.